Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to delete your domain in Mailgun. Alright, so first up, go ahead and open up your favorite browser. Now type in the URL box app.mailgun.com. Once done, just hit on enter and wait for the website to load. Now once it loads, go ahead and go to the left panel and click on send. I'm going to be showing you two ways on how to delete your domains. Okay, so first up, go ahead and go to domain settings, click on it. And in here, go to the top right and click on the drop down. Okay, click on it, and in here, go ahead and select the domain that you wanted to delete. Click on it. Once done, go ahead and scroll all the way down until you find delete domain. Okay, it says here when you delete a domain, all associated data will be deleted and will not be recoverable. Once you're sure, just click on delete. And again, there will be a prompt. Click on delete, and once done, you're good to go. Another option is by going to domains right here, click on it, and here you have your domains. Click on the three dots, hit on delete. There will be a prompt once more. Just click on delete domain, wait for it to finish. This might take some time depending on the record that is within the domain. And as you can see here, it's done. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.